Hey guys, today's video is going to be a bit different from the other ones. I'm going to be showing you how to debloat your Windows. Now we know Windows is a bit of a iffy company when it comes to bloatware. So this is how you're going to debloat it. So you have to search Windows. And then here it has the actual bit. Right, and this is the code I downloaded, I believe. Yep, this is the exact one. Now, get the code, download the zip file, just like that. Use 7-zip. You could maybe use a different type of unzip thing, but I'd advise against it just due to the fact that some of these programs require 7-zip in order to actually function. Like when you zip it, because it has a certain file that using regular zips won't work. you know. Then you do the run.bat. You say yes to it. You say yes to the permissions. Then you can either choose default mode, custom mode, or app remover mode. Now, I don't know how to fucking code, so I'm going to use number 3. So, here you can select which programs you want to delete. I believe mine should be saved of what I have deleted, because I keep game bar just so I can talk to my friends, but it does cause lag if you keep game bar, but whatever, So if I press confirm, you have to press enter to, confirm. Now remove all the bloatware from your PC. Might take a while. I've accidentally deleted the Xbox app, but whatever. I'll have to reinstall it. But yeah, that's the tutorial. If you guys want any more tutorials, let me know. I'll see you around.